Hi, my name is Rekha. Can you tell us your name so we can look into the camera?
My name is Elroy D'Souza. My name is Hyson D'Souza.
So, is this your first time attending an NGP event?
Many times.
Many times. So, how did you like the event today?
It was really good. This is part one.
Great, great. So, tell me one thing that was that stood out for you on this event.
I mean, one thing that struck me was the diversity and that we have in terms of the amount of participants that are there. The number of people who belong to our community in a variety of different personalities. Something really special to know. So, yeah, that was something really surprising and yeah, love to see that.
Thank you so much. You want to add anything? Alright, thank you so much. I hope you had a great time.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.